I've just been so shocked today. We got to North Georgia, and we're staying in an Airbnb cabin. It's actually his parents that own it, and we were here to celebrate his birthday, and which is tomorrow. And we got here last night. I had plans to go on a trail to go see a waterfall, and that's where he popped the question. Just so shocked. And obviously I said yes, and it was just perfect. I'm obsessed with waterfalls, I'm obsessed with nature. But now we're gonna have dinner tonight and go out, and I will update you guys on our trip. So this is our last day here, and this is our last day, and there's like a river nearby, and being a nature girl and being obsessed with crystals, we're in North Georgia right now, and in North Georgia you can find crystals, and I've found baby crystals before. I've never found like massive crystals until literally I go down to the stream. I'm just like searching around and I find a boatload of crystals, and here, I have to show you them. This is one I can actually hold, but I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but look at this beauty. I'm actually just like so grateful that on this weekend, out of all weekends, I find so many quartz crystals, and yeah, I'm really sad to go because I really like it up here and I love being in nature. It makes me feel at peace, and it makes me feel like a fairy. So I'm really sad that we're leaving, but it was still, I mean, it was literally the best weekend ever. And I'm not wearing my ring at the moment, just because I was out there grabbing crystals and I don't want to get scratched or dirty. But yeah, we are staying near LJ, and we went to the Blue Ridge downtown area, and both are so cute. I loved both of them, but I really loved LJ, and I just love the atmosphere. It's been super cold, like freezing cold. Yesterday me and Michael went and had dinner our last night out, and we were actually freezing. It was like, I think 34 degrees. So yeah, it was miserable, but I've really enjoyed my time here. We're definitely going to be coming back. We've been talking about how we really like it up here, so we'll definitely be making a trip back. But I just wanted to talk with you guys and just give you guys a little update. Me and Michael are gonna make some dinner. This bird keeps literally talking. We're gonna make some we're gonna grill some chicken, and we're going to make some pasta and just have a night in. I'm gonna take a bath because there's no bath at my apartment complex, which really sucks. And then when we get back, we are literally in another week, we're moving into a new place. So we have a lot of stuff happening within this like next couple of weeks, and my friends are coming to visit. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. I'm also making a trip to Savannah this upcoming weekend, so I'll probably make a little video. I don't know yet, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I just can't get over, like, this weekend has been so crazy, and I'm just super blessed and just so happy. And I just can't, like, I really can't stop like giggling. Just out of nowhere I'll just start giggling because I'm just like, it's still such a shock that we're engaged now. But yeah. Okay. How do you feel about being engaged?
Happy.
Happy? That's it?
Yeah.
That's all the emotions?
That's all the emotions I want.